The Unattended Installation Wizard is a feature of SyAM Management Utilities that makes it easy to deploy and configure the SyAM system client across your network. The wizard helps you create a job that runs on a regular schedule to discover systems on your network, install the system client software, and connect the client machines to be managed by your system area manager. In the Functions menu of the Management Utility, click the link for the Unattended Installation Wizard. The wizard allows you to create and edit the templates that define the tasks that make up the installation job. Any templates that already exist, whether or not they were created using the wizard, are listed here, and they can be edited or removed here. We can select an existing template for the wizard to use, or we can create a new one. The first step is to create a discovery template to define the group of systems where the client will be installed. The method we'll use is to specify a range of IP addresses. We would also have the option in an Active Directory environment to define discovery groups based on our domains and organizational units. Enter a name for the template and the name of the discovery group. The name we specify as the discovery group is the name that will appear in the Groups menu when the machines are discovered. Check the box to allow systems with duplicate information and select Scan IP Address Range. Enter the starting and ending IP addresses. Then check the box to resolve IP addresses to host names. We can use the filter to narrow down our group of discovered systems according to machine name. For example, on our network here, the Windows XP machines will have XP in the machine name. So we check the box to enable the filter and enter *XP* in the filter box. We'll save changes to the template, click OK to confirm, and then click Next. Next is the Power On Hours template. It's used by the Power Auditor side of the Management Utilities, but we're not concerned with power auditing here, so we'll just select the default template and then click Next. Now we'll set up a client deployment template. We'll enter the template name, choose Windows as the target platform, and choose the Windows authentication template that we created the first time we accessed the management utility. On the administration settings page, we've entered the default application path, the network share, where we've uploaded the client installation file, so the path appears here. Click the Find Files button, and then use the drop-down menu to select the client installation file. We can choose whether we want to install a local interface for the client. If the client version is not filled in, we need to enter it. We'll save the template, click OK to confirm, and then click Next. Here's where we supply the IP address of our system area manager. We'll enter the template name, and the IP address, and save the template, click OK to confirm, and click Next. We can set a location and function for the systems we're installing on. This is an optional step. We can skip it if we'd like. Here we'll use a template we've already created. We select the template in the Existing Templates box and then click Next to continue to the next step. Now we'll set up power settings for our systems. This is another optional step that we can skip if we want. Let's create a power template for our XP desktops. Enter the template name. We're going to schedule a system shutdown every weekday at 7 p.m. Click the buttons for the days when the shutdown will run and use the drop-down menu to select the time. We'll save changes, click OK to confirm, and then click Next. Now we'll set a schedule for the job to run. Click Next. The start date is today, and we'll run the job at 6 a.m. (10 a.m.) at 4 p.m., then again at 6 p.m. We'll schedule the job to run every weekday. Now we can review the schedule, and if everything looks good, we click OK. We have an option here to allow blank device names. By default, we won't try to install the client on a device that's not reporting a machine name. You can override that default by checking this box. In our example here, we've set a filter for discovery based on the machine name, so this option wouldn't have any effect. The job won't go into the schedule until we click the Save Changes button. So we can review everything one last time and then save our changes. The client installation job will now run at the times we've scheduled. With each run, we do a new network discovery, so newly introduced systems or machines that were powered off the first time around will be available for our client deployment.